Hi guys, my name is Brian Gobin and I am here today to help you out with the prop section. I'm going to break down the prop section into 5 different lessons. Today's lesson 1, we're going to cover the crap check and any 7, and we're going to talk about individual numbers, which would be a pair at 30 to 1 and everything that's not a pair pays 15 to 1. When we get into lesson 2, we're going to talk about all of the splits. When we get into lesson 3, we're going to talk about all the three ways. When we get into lesson 4, we're going to talk about all the horns. And when we get into lesson 5, we're going to talk about the world bets and the horn highs. Then for each one of the bets, after I talk about it, I will simply show you an example of a $5 bet or a $25 bet and give you the answers. So first of all, the crap check. If someone bets in any crap, the way that it wins is if any of the craps rolls. If 2 crap rolls, 3 crap rolls, or 12 crap rolls, it wins. Doesn't matter which one, it pays 7 to 1. So if they bet a $5 crap check and a crap rolls, it would be 7 times 5, which is $35. $35 for your $5 crap. If they was to bet $25 and a crap rolls, 7 times 25 is $175, so it would be $175 for your quarter crap. The next thing we're going to talk about is an any 7. An any 7 is a 1 roll bet that pays 4 to 1. And the way that it wins is if any of the 7s roll. So you could have a 61, 52, or 43. Any one of them roll, the any 7 wins. It is simply 4 to 1. So if they bet a $4 any 7 and a 7 rolls, $20 for your $5 any 7. If they bet a quarter on the any 7 and a 7 rolls, it would be $100 for your $25 any 7. Next thing we're going to get into is the pairs, and if it's not a pair. All the pairs on the dice in an individual number bet will pay 30 to 1. The examples of everything that is a pair would be the 12, the aces, hard 6 hopping, hard 4 hopping, hard 10 hopping, and hard 8 hopping. All the 1 roll bets that are pairs, if they roll, pay 30 to 1. An easy way to figure out 30 to 1 is simply 3 times the bet and add a 0. So if I have a $5 12 and it rolls, 3 times 5 is 15. Add a 0, $150 for a $5 12. If they was to bet a hard 10 hop and hard 10 rolls, same thing, it's 30 to 1. So 3 times 5 is 15, add a 0, $150 for your $5 hard 10 hopping. Next, I'll show you a couple of examples of a quarter. Let's do a quarter aces. Quarter aces rolls. What's 3 times 25? It is 75, add a 0. $750 for your $25 aces. Let's go to the hard 6 hopping. It's a pair. Pairs pay 30 to 1. 3 times 25 is 75. Add a 0. $750 for your $25 hard 6 hopping. Next thing we're going to talk about is everything that's not a pair. And it pays 15 to 1. Here are examples of everything that's not a pair is you have the yo, ace deuce, 42, 51, 32, 41, 31, 61, 52, 43, 64, 63, 54, 62, 53. I just showed you everything that's not a pair. Previously, we talked about pairs that paid 30 to 1. Now we're talking to everything that's not a pair. It pays 15 to 1. That's every combination of the dice. So, an easy way to figure out 15 to 1 is someone plays a $5 yo. The key is blackjack the bet, add a 0. Now there are many keys out there. This is one that I find easy. It may work for you, which I hope it does. And this is the one I'm going to show you today. So a blackjack, if you're unfamiliar with that, is the bet plus half the bet. Half of 5 is 250. 5 plus 250 is 750. So if you blackjack $5, it's 750. When you add a 0 and there's change involved, you simply move the decimal point. So in this case, 750, I move the decimal point over. It'd be $75 for a $5 yo. It's the same thing for the individual numbers. They bet 6-3 hopping. Pays 15 to 1. So 6-3 rolls. Blackjack add a 0. $75 for your $5 6-3 hopping. Let's show a few examples of the quarter. If someone bets a quarter ace deuce and ace deuce rolls, a $25 blackjack pays $37.50. Because half of 25 is $12.50. $12.50 and 25 is $37.50. So now I have to add a 0. Move the decimal point. $375 for your $25 ace deuce. If they just want to play one of the sevens, if they just play 61 on the hop by itself, It has to be 61, obviously, to roll for it to win. If it rolls, it's not a pair, pays 15 to 1. $25 blackjack, $37.50. Add a zero. $375 for your $25 6-1 hop. So today we have gone over in lesson 1. We have talked about the crap check. We have talked about the any 7. We talked about all the numbers that are a pair on a one roll bet. They pay 30 to 1. We talked about all the other numbers. They're not a pair. They pay 15 to 1. And I showed you a few ways to pay those. I hope it was helpful, and looking forward to lesson 2. Thank you.